That's the repair of Afisi Street. Excellent job. Under the tenure of Wale Masha. Excellent job. Excellent job. Excellent job. That's my brother there. We're doing the road works. Excellent. Excellent road works. Doing Afisi Street road repair under the tenure of Wale Masha. Very beautiful, very nice. This work is very important for this area so that our gutter will flow. Very good. That's my brother. Yeah, this is the monitoring of the repair of Afisi Street junction. You can see the street is being done, Afisi Street, under the tenure of Wale Masha. That's very good. Development is coming small by small. That's very good.